In today's video, we are unboxing and reviewing my Bath & Body Works haul for all my favorite Christmas scents. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up for this coming winter season, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. So if you're all about candles and scents, then you know Bath & Body Works just had their big annual sale where they put all of their 3-wick candles for $10. Normally the candles are $25. They typically have a sale on them throughout the year, but you gotta catch them, and they never tell you when they are. So there might be some times where you want something, you go in there and the candles actually are $25. This sale though is huge because who doesn't want $25 for $10? So let's just go ahead and unbox everything. I actually went into the store and got some of my favorite scents. As I was ordering them online, it was during the annual sale. It was a 2-day event. You could order them online or in store, and the max is like 18 at one time. But what people do is they buy 18 and then they go back and make another purchase for 18. I mean, I know some people and they do this every year and they buy literally like 100 candles. I don't go that crazy. I literally just pick up my favorite scents that I know that I'm going to be burning, especially now because it's about to be Christmas time. So I picked up all my favorite Christmas scents. I actually got some in store and online. If you guys watch my channel, you know the one that I'm crazy about. So I picked up multiple of those, but I wanted to share some other ones that I picked up as well. They did have some newer scents that I wasn't familiar with. The first one being this balsam and firewood. So this is a pretty candle. I like the trees and the silver and all of that. It's very festive, very icy, very wintry. My preference when it comes to scents, I'm not really crazy about sweet scents, although I like a little sweet. When Bath & Body Works does sweet, they do sweet, and I just really don't like it. I like more of their fresh scents. A little vanilla here and there is fine. This one smells so mellow. It's right down the line. It's not too outdoorsy, but it's definitely not sweet at all. Cedarwood, cardamom, and white birch. It just smells so nice. Like, I could tell that I'm gonna like this one and it's not gonna overwhelm me. My first time smelling this, and like I said, I really liked it. I would recommend this one, especially if you want something Christmassy but you don't want it too outdoorsy. You don't like sweet either, then I would definitely recommend this one. I also saw this ice winter balsam. So this one's like a plaid, traditional green Christmas feel. Now, if you don't know, they do a lot of different looks for the same candle. I like to get the ones that are themed. It would match all the decor in the house, like all the Christmas decor and whatnot. This one's really nice. It has a bit of sweet to it, but not too much. This one's definitely stronger than this one as far as scent is concerned. Oh, I absolutely love this one. Frozen eucalyptus, sugared pine, and fresh balsam. Of course, the fresh balsam, that's the scent you guys know that I love if you watch my videos. The fresh balsam is hidden in this, but the frozen eucalyptus and the sugared pine add a bit of sweet to it. The sugared pine adds both sweet and like a mellow outdoor fresh scent that is just so beautiful. And the eucalyptus is just so nice. Eucalyptus is nice in any scent. I absolutely love eucalyptus. And look at the little Christmas tree on top. I absolutely love that. It's a very nice touch. And then I also picked up in store Under the Christmas Trees. I've talked about this one before, I think in my last winter candle haul. This one is so amazing. So you know fresh balsam is my scent, right? But this one is stronger because it's like heavy, it's so rich, it's so masculine. If this was a cologne scent, it would literally smell like your man was out in the woods with his axe like cutting down trees all day. Like that's what this is, and it's just so nice. I like this scent a lot. So this one for me, it smells literally like you are living inside of a Christmas tree. Fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. It's so nice. It's so nice. And I was really upset because I wanted multiple of these, but they were absolutely sold out. I had ordered this online because I did the online haul before I went into the store, and I had to hit checkout and edit my cart online that day during the sale probably 5 times, because every time that I was checking out, the candles were selling out. They were selling out so fast. I had put a bunch of these in my cart, and by the time I checked out, they were all sold out. So I went into the store later that day because my neighborhood, my community has a brand new Bath and Body Works that nobody really knows about. So when I went there, it was so nice because I was able to get in and out, and that's almost impossible on their annual sale days because they usually have lines out the doors. I was really excited about that, but they did have a few of these in store, but they were almost sold out in store too. But like I said, such a nice scent. I really love to burn this one. But you guys know, my favorite scent. I think they probably make more of these during Christmas time than they do any other scent, because they always have a plethora of these, and I know that people buy this one. My all-time favorite Christmas scent, fresh balsam. I've been burning this one all season ever since I started decorating for Christmas, because I had back stock from last year. I bought a whole bunch of them last year. They had sold out of all of the beautiful decorative canisters of it, so I had to just go to a regular one. It's not that pretty, but it's green. But oh, the reason why I bought a real Christmas tree this year, because this is a smell that is so nostalgic to me. It just triggers so many memories from my childhood. Every Christmas, when I would wake up on Christmas morning, this was the scent that I woke up to, other than my mom like preparing Christmas dinner, because of the tree, the smell that just filled the house. And this is that one. I absolutely love this candle. Woodland balsam, crisp eucalyptus, fir branches, and cedar wood. And again, I've been burning this all season so far, but I'm out because I burned all of the back stock that I had. So I'm glad I was able to pick up more. Christmas is next week, so by the time Christmas is over, I will have gone through these too. But again, I have other scents this time from this haul, so I'm excited about that. Another one, this is in a different pattern, but again, that scent is just, it's everything to me. Oh, absolutely love it. So I got a couple more of those, and then I also picked up Tree Farm. So Tree Farm is also very nice. It's not as strong as Under the Christmas Tree or Fresh Balsam, but it still gives you that tree smell. It's actually a little sweeter, but definitely way more mellow than Fresh Balsam and Under the Christmas Tree. So this one is crisp pine needle, warm cedar, and spiced apple, and the apple definitely like is what mellows this out and gives it a bit of sweet. It's very nice, and I had some back stock of this from last season as well, but I burned through those too. So I actually do enjoy this scent, especially when I'm running out of my Fresh Balsam and Under the Christmas Tree. Then Tree Farm is the one that I'm burning, so I picked up a couple of those. I think these will carry me right through New Year's, because I will burn them up until New Year's Day is typically when I'll start burning Champagne Toast, which is another one of my favorite ones from Bath and Body Works. But when it comes to winter, I've got all my winter candles. I've got more than enough. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so not too bad. I didn't go crazy, like I said. There were some other ones that I thought that I would like. I'm glad that they sold out of it online, because when I went into the store later on that day and actually bought some in store, when I smelled the one that I thought I was gonna like, I didn't actually like it. And that was the one that was like hot cocoa. It looked really nice. I was thinking like I would burn it in my coffee bar, but when I smelled it, I didn't like it, so I'm glad I didn't get it. If you try any of these scents, or if you like any of these scents, let me know which ones you like in the comments below, which ones you picked up in the sale if you shopped it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this haul from Bath & Body Works. If you found it helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know what content you guys prefer. Also, you can hit the subscribe button below for more content like this, and you can also hit the bell notification to be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, we do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores, and on Fridays, I bring you content from Target to show you what's new in home decor. And we do a little fashion and things here and there. And on Sundays, I bring you lifestyle and homemaking content, especially here from the new house. So I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.